Is your iPhone 17 screen staying on constantly and refusing to turn off? This is most likely caused by the always-on display feature that's enabled on your iPhone 17. If you don't find this feature useful at all, or it's frustrating you, then let's disable it completely. But before I show you the steps, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar tutorial videos like this one. The first step is to open our settings page, and after that, we're going to scroll a little bit down and tap on the Display and Brightness tool. This is going to show us a lot of settings related to our iPhone's display, which we can customize, but our job is to scroll all the way down and locate this always-on display feature. When this is enabled, like it's enabled for me right here, then this is the reason why your display won't turn off on iPhone. So disable this feature and then click on the power button. Your display will now turn off completely and it will be black. You won't see your clock or wallpaper anymore because we've disabled the always-on display feature on our iPhone. And this will also save us a little bit of battery life. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you in the next one.